Some insight in the highlights of this week for Forex traders. The most important releases in economic calendar. For Australian dollar, the only important publication will be the release of Australian retail sales on Tuesday. But I also advise those who trade Australian dollar to have a look at Chinese statistics like inflation figures on Tuesday and also China's trade balance on Friday. Probably Chinese trade figures will be the most important for Australian and New Zealand dollar traders, as these nations are big trading partners of China. So how these countries interact in the terms of trade is really, really important for their currencies. On Wednesday, we will have the data on British manufacturing production and the regular figures on the US crude oil inventories. On Thursday, the European Central Bank will release monetary policy meeting accounts of December meeting. We can remember that. Also, we will have the US unemployment claims on Thursday and some speeches of FOMC members. On Friday, we will hear from the Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen and some other FOMC members as well. We will also have the biggest block of the US economic statistics of this week, retail sales, producer prices, and preliminary consumer sentiment. So the most important releases will take place on Friday for America. So this is our agenda. It won't be a very intense week, but some things of importance still are here in our economic calendar. So don't miss these trading opportunities, or if you prefer not to trade on news, take these releases into account still in order to avoid them. It is a two-way trade with the news.